especially in classics. 1998 GMC Sierra SLE package, regular cab short box. Just don't see a lot of these around the regular cab short boxes anymore. Riding on a later model GM wheel. Does have new Michelin Defender radials on it. This would be Laguna green metallic. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter Vortec V8, paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front of this truck too, by the way. Take a look at the chrome condition. The surround, lots of times you see this chrome start to peel some, with chrome on the bumper, and then just the lack of any sort of rock chips, nicks, or scratches up front. If there are some, you may see a couple of real small, just little touch-up spots. Truck shows a little over 160,000 miles on it, and I've seen ones that are a quarter that many miles, not in as nice a shape as this one. Check out the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about. Interior, underside, bed of it, engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726, and then look at how straight this truck is up and down. The passenger side, we'll check out the driver's side, get around there, start it up, let you hear it run. Around the wheel wells you do not see any bubbling. Rust, take a look at the lower rockers, and even back here on the cab corners. Still has that protective coating. Nice Lund roll-up tonneau cover. And a canvas material. Nice tonneau cover on it. Bed liner in it. As you can see, sliding rear window. And again, look down that passenger side, how straight that is. Will also come with a set of WeatherTech floor mats, as well as the stock ones that are in it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The truck also has new front shocks on it, done when the tires were done. Here you go, take a look up and down that driver's side. Around the wheel wells once again. Protective coating here yet, cab corners, lower rockers. Looks good all the way around. And then take a look at this interior. Door panels, of course, with the SLE package. Get some nice equipment, power mirrors, power windows, power locks, tilt the cruise. Check out this seating. Now, this would be the original fabric. Just lack of any real sort of wear on it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out the exact miles. All right, there you go, 165, 191. Take a look at the top of the dash. Tell this truck's been stored indoors, no doubt about that. AM/FM CD player. Does have a trailer brake installed. Your 4x4 actuator. So again, very nice interior. See, the gauges are all working. No warning indicators, any check engine lights, anything like that. Headliner intact, in good shape. Sounds like you'd expect. Stock 98 GMC to sound. Alright, so let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Get the hood open for you. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at how clean it is under here. Wow. In the 5.7 liter Vortec V8. Tried and true. Smooth running. Appears to be a new AC compressor there. Good sounding truck. It's actually a 2-owner truck. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.